In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Google Drive. We'll walk through the full process on a desktop browser, from opening Drive to permanently removing a photo, so you know exactly what to expect and don't accidentally lose anything you want to keep. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. In the top right corner of the page, look for the small grid of dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the list of Google services. From there, choose Drive. This will take you to your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Once Drive is open, find the photo you want to delete. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to type the file name or a keyword. If you prefer a visual view, switch to Grid View to see larger thumbnails, which can make photos easier to identify. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct file, especially if you have similar images or duplicates. Hover over the photo and click the three dots icon that appears, also known as the More Actions menu. In the menu that opens, choose Move to Bin. This sends the photo to your bin, which is like a temporary trash folder. It won't be gone forever yet, which is helpful if you make a mistake. To permanently remove the photo, look at the left sidebar in Drive and click Bin. Inside the bin, locate that same photo. Right-click on it to open the Options menu. Select Delete Forever. Drive will show a confirmation prompt because this action can't be undone. Click Delete Forever again to confirm. That's the complete process. First moving a photo to the bin, then going into the bin to permanently delete it. If you only move a photo to the bin and stop there, it will still take up space until it's permanently removed. Keep in mind that items in the bin are automatically deleted after a period of time, but choosing Delete Forever removes them immediately. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the photo in your bin right away, try refreshing the page. If the photo was in a shared folder, deleting it may affect other collaborators, so it's a good idea to coordinate beforehand. And if you're unsure, pause before confirming Delete Forever and preview the image to make certain it's the right file. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to delete photos from Google Drive safely and confidently.